Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about an abbreviation, ESC, which stands for extended single crochet. So here I've got a swatch of extended single crochet stitches. It's pretty similar to a regular single crochet. It's just a bit taller, and as I will demonstrate shortly, it's got like an extra chain to it. So let's get into it. How do you make an extended single crochet? So you go into the stitch, yarn over, bring up a loop. You've got 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through one of the loops, creating a chain. And then yarn over and through 2, completing a single crochet stitch as normal. So let's do that again. Into the stitch, yarn over, bring up a loop, yarn over through 1, and yarn over through 2. And that is ESC, extended single crochet.